Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Ford Fusion with a dead key fob. First, locate the small, physical key hidden within your key fob. It usually slides out or flips open. Next, insert this physical key into the driver's side door lock cylinder. Give it a firm turn to manually unlock the door. This simple step grants you access to your vehicle, even when the electronic functions of your fob are completely inactive. It's a handy trick to remember for unexpected situations. Once inside your Fusion, you might wonder how to start it without a working fob. Don't worry, there's a clever solution. Look for a backup key slot, often found in the center console storage area near the cup holders or sometimes on the steering column. Place your dead key fob directly into this slot. This allows the vehicle to read the fob's chip. With the fob in place, press the brake pedal and then push the engine start button. Your car should now power on, ready for your journey. To get your key fob working again, you'll likely need to replace its battery. Carefully open the key fob casing. Many have a small notch for prying. Inside, you'll find a small, round coin cell battery. Most Ford Fusion fobs use a CR2032 battery, which is widely available. Gently remove the old battery and insert a new one, ensuring the positive side faces up. Snap the fob back together, and it should be ready to function electronically once more. After replacing the battery, your key fob should work perfectly. However, in some rare instances, the fob might need a quick reprogramming to sync with your vehicle. Consult your Ford Fusion's owner's manual for specific, easy-to-follow instructions on this process. If you encounter persistent issues or feel unsure about any steps, it's always best to contact a certified Ford dealership. Their expert technicians can quickly diagnose and resolve any complex problems, ensuring your peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.